Hello there. Today's topic is how to vanish any kinds of object by using Photoshop. So you can see I have put a picture here. You can see the light, road light is here, and the brick wall also. So I'm going to show like how can I vanish this without knowing that it was here. So for this, what we need to do, just you can use also the shortcut key Alt Control and V, and also you can go by this, go to the filter and go to here vanishing point. I'm clicking it, so you can see some kinds of options are here, and this is the create panel tool option. So for this I have to create a panel for it. Well, if I click it from here, you can see that it is already making it the underline after it, so I'll be needing no more than. So after clicking in here, you can see it has clicking selected the selection by itself. So I'm going to select it this, like this thing, because I will be just needing to change this, like vanish this. Okay, so after that selecting, you can move over it here, there, and like as you want it to do. So I'm going to well, okay, so this is my selection actually. So after this I'm going to click in stamp tool. So after clicking it, the grid lines are already been gone. Oops, wait a minute, I'm going to put it here. Okay, so let's click it at this stamp tool. So and then what you are going to do it. So well, little minute. So then this stamp, and after this you gotta be clicking the Alt and keyboard on PC, and then you have selected this, and you can see the difference here. The mouse pointer is also becoming the Blu-ray. So I'm going to click it. So you can see if I click it, the point are also getting vanished easily. It's such a easy work to do. Oops, I made a mistake. So and then it is how, and also after this you gotta be selecting like this. You will be knowing that you have to be very careful like which selection you are selecting after vanishing, before vanishing the thing. I'm making mistakes. Wait, so simply you can vanish it. So this is how. So and you can see the breaking world are here. So for this what we can do, so let's select the break clearly. Let's click it. So you can see the difference. I had the first peak and now there is no road light. So this is how easily you can vanish by using vanish point in Photoshop easily with a very short time. So this is very helpful for you. Thank you. Thanks for watching.